G'day and welcome back to the channel. Well, I guess you've seen that there, and this piece is about what happened after that. Well, what happened just then, when it went bzzz. So I'm not really sure if we're going to call this piece a Byte durability update, or just a piece about, you know, securing Mipi connectors, but the Mipi connector on here loosed itself upon that impact, and that landed on the concrete drive there. So it's a pretty shocking impact, if you get my meaning. I also believe that I may have vibrated loose, probably one of the screws retaining, well, one of the bolts on the screws retaining it. But I just wanted to sort of, you know, bring this up. So if you're flying and that happens, check your Mipi connector, and if you can retain the Mipi connector in some way, if you've got some shmoo to put on it or something, maybe put some shmoo on it. Hot glue may well just sort of come off, but it could be worth trying. But yeah, that's the thing. So I've got to connect that back there. So I've just clipped it back on there because I was thinking maybe you know, maybe it was flex of this that pulled the cable tight and released the connector, but there's a bit of flex in the cable still. So I think it was the weight of the cable bobbing down when it hit flat, face down, that pulled it off. Now it does clip in the connector, but it might be good to maybe even add some sort of clips over the sides on this plastic thing, so that it sort of, you know, you get it in there and it just sort of helps to hold it in there or something. Maybe, you know, Runcam can have a think about that one. That was a reasonably solid hit, but not like extremely fast or anything, and it does seem that it was just at that particular, in that particular direction, that it was able to force it off, as you can see. So it doesn't actually take too much force to lever, for the cable to, the cable's weight to lever it off, because the orientation of the camera demands that the cable is in that orientation there, and so the wires can pull it off. Yeah, there you go, engineers or whoever's watching from Runcam. If you can try to fix that one, that'll be golden. Otherwise, I've actually found it to be quite good, this. I've had none of the issues that I've had with the medium-sized unit. And there is going to be a video coming out about the medium-sized unit once I have gone through and sorted out the flight issues with this. And it's probably going to involve new motors or a stack, but, you know, we'll get to that. Yeah, so that's all I have to say, really. If you're having any connection problems or something like that after you've had a hard landing, check your Mipi connector. Anyway, let's go check out some flights. While I put this back together to go do some more flights. Anyway.